The gap at the moment's too big. That's what I'm after, and that's what I've got. I've just curved a bit on this, on the shrinker. Just going to insert that in there. And get the gap exactly as I want it, then scribe round. And then weld that piece in.
And this tool you're using
is a stretcher and a shrinker. So one spreads the material and one does the opposite. That was a straight piece to start with, and I've just put it in the shrinker, and that will give me a radius. But you have to do it by eye, because if you just do it in one place, it just keeps it.
Yeah.
So you've got to have it fairly uniform
just work
pressure
around.
and just work it around. And then you end up with that, from a straight piece to a radius with a flange on. Yeah. And so I'll follow that line, and then when that's inserted, that will give me the perfect line.
Do that gap nice.
So I've overcooked it at the moment, so I've got to stretch it there.
You've been working on this Honda today.
Yes, I have indeed.
What's because I don't think I've ever seen this. Is a Honda what?
It's an S800.
800.
Yep.
from what era? What's it?
It's 60s. This has got foreign plates on it, so
Okay. And you're doing a similar job to Nathan. You're doing a bit of fabrication and
yep,
gassing.
yes, yep. Basically what we had to do, because the gaps were all over the place, we had to remove the old skin, and then we've correcting all the gaps with the actual inner skin. So then when we make the outer skin, we can just scribe it round, fold it, and hopefully it fit like a glove. With all nice parallel gaps. It's the worst thing you can have are all tapered gaps.
Yeah.
But it's, so we fold the new section up, put the right gap in, scribe it, then we MIG it, then we electric weld it all in with the MIG. Likewise around the radiuses. I've just done this.
That's the side that you've done.
This is the side that I've done.
This is the side you're going to be working on.
Yes, yeah. I've got the piece somewhere. There we are. So this is a piece I've made. So it's curved that way to give me the same profile as the top of the wing. Then I'm going to insert that in there to give me a nice parallel gap, just like the other side.
That should be a little bit easier than the other side, because the other side you have this top bit to do as well as...
Yes, I think, yes, I have got to do the top bit, but only put an edge around there to drop down into the well.
Okay.
And then I've got to revisit all this. Likewise, I've done this side, because that's supposed to line up with that, plus that is hitting the bodywork as well, so that's got to be revisited.
Yeah. You were saying that this, because of it being an import,
Yeah,
parts are difficult.
parts are very difficult. We got a problem with the boot lid rubbers, so we'll have to, so I measured up and we're going to buy some stock rubber sponge, and then hopefully that should do the job.
And then you've got to make the skin as well.
Yes,
Because you haven't
yeah,
got anything to...
yes, making the skin. So that's got to be done in 2 parts. We do this radius, and the way it's constructed, I'll have to either make the top skin first or the radius section here. And once they're both made, then I can weld them together and go from there, really.
Looking good. Been busy.
So yes, a lot more work to do, but yeah,
A lot done.
a lot done.
Yeah.
A lot done already.
I'll let you do your work report for the day.
Okay.
I can give you the video evidence.
Yes.
That is the Honda S800.
S800. Yep.